Hi, this video we're going to show how we do the upgrading for the 4K SSD card on the modular matrix switcher. So basically, we need to have a flash driver. Then we need to copy the firmware and also the firmware to the flash driver. Like right now, this is the firmware. We just copy to the USB flash driver. Then we can just plug out the USB cable. So next step we need to do is we need to remove the top panel of this one. Basically, we need to remove the screws on the top side, and on the both side we need to remove this one, and another 3 over here, and on another side also need to remove the same. So 1 here, and there's 2, and 1 here. Okay, so after we remove these screws, then we can just remove the top panel. After we remove the top panel, and then we need to remove the screws on this silver rack as well, and 2 screws here, 2 screws, and another 2 screws on this side. So after we remove the screws, then we can remove this rack. After we remove the rack, basically we can see we have like the USB ports on the PCB board on the input and output cards. And next step we need to do is we need to check on the red deep switch, make sure, and we have all the deep switch 1 on the input card dialed up, and for the output card we need to have all the deep switch on to the up position. So next step, we just have the same USB flash driver. Then we can just plug to the USB port, and this port is for the port 1. So we need to do is we need to just have the USB driver plugged in, then power on the matrix switcher. Then we just wait. And now we can hear the beep sound, and basically we can see the indicators are flashing for these ports, right? These 2 indicators are flashing very fast. We'll just wait until it turns to the solid light. Okay. So now it means like the upgrading is down. Then we can just power off. Then move to the next USB port for the input 2. Then power on the matrix switcher again. So it will be just the same for the rest of the ports on the input and also the output card. All the upgrading process are the same. When the upgrading is done, we'll just power off. Then remove the USB to another port and turn on it. Then we'll just wait. So we will see the indicators are flashing fast. Okay, so this port is now down, turn off. Okay, so it's down, off again. So now what do you change to the output cards? Okay, export. So okay, now so we already have all the ports of the input and output upgraded. Now we can just switch off the transistor, unplug the cable, and then we can just test it on it and see if the issue still stays. Thank you.